Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, and so happy to be streaming live to Periscope and Twitter. The Twitter sphere is my favorite place. Please follow. What do you mean? Please follow us. If you're here, maybe you don't follow me, but please follow EndoTech_IO at Twitter. And it's the weekend, man. Everybody's working for the weekend. Listen, you work too hard not to go out and enjoy yourself on the weekend. And the weekend has started. It's beer 30 someplace for sure. Anyway, we're going to jump right to the vitals section. I'm not even going to do the rounds today because I think it's important just to talk about the price action, how the week's ending, what I'm seeing, and what that means for next week. Cryptos never sleep, so I'll talk Bitcoin in that weekly setup. And then Sunday night when everything reopens, but the cryptos will have traded Saturday and Sunday. Let's not forget that. They never sleep. 24/7, 365 days a year of market discovery going on in cryptos. But anyway, let's take the vitals and talk about today's action, starting with the SPOOs. Taking the vitals, my chance to actually talk price discovery. And the SPOOs right now trading at 28.88, and back in up mo on the daily. They definitely dallied below there for a little bit, but not able to sustain it. And so for me, we obviously congested here. I talked about this yesterday, and really the high end of the congestion is like 96, 97. Although they made the high up at 11. I think you got to just respect this congestion here, and a breakout one way or the other is I think will be a longer term directional situation. So back below, the 28.75 level, above new highs 29.11. I think you get a multiple percentage move from either one of those breakouts. And as I said yesterday, I covered gold, and right now gold today, hold on a second. Where is it? Gold, come on, Bob, Earth to Bob. Anyway, gold trading lower, and I continue to not believe that what I talked about yesterday, and believe me, I respect Paul Tudor Jones, and nobody with a better track record long term. But I just don't see how gold can go to 1,700 or 2,000 and the S&Ps can go higher. So, I think if we break out to the upside and gold is showing a little bit of weakness, that maybe that continues. And believe me, again, I keep saying this, it cannot make sense. And it cannot make sense for a lot longer than you can stay solvent trading from a leveraged point of view. So that's what I'm seeing, again, back and forth here in the SPOOs, not able to really, keep the momentum one way or the other. And I kind of see that continuing. So, gold pretty much a scratch right now that I'm seeing. But definitely, hold on a second. Actually, now that I'm re-looking at it, I love that when I look at it and it's a monthly and I'm thinking, yeah, it's near its highs, but then it's putting in a fantastic doji day today. And again, so if gold craps out, maybe the S&Ps make a big run. I don't think both things can happen, though. Let me just get back to that thought process. I don't think the SPOOs go and make a huge run to the upside, and gold continues with the run to the upside also. So that's what I'm seeing on those things. And, so I think you got to respect this doji they're putting in the gold today. And I'm short S&Ps, and so that makes me very nervous here. The fact that we weren't able to close, and there's still a bit of the day left here, and I'd love to see for my short position in SPOOs them deteriorate again and close out of up momentum on the daily. But that being said, this doji in the gold on the daily gives me pause that maybe gold craps out and they take the rest of the shorts that are in the S&Ps and bend them over and stick it where the sun don't shine. That's kind of the way I'm looking at it. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing there. let's talk Bitcoin. Hold on one second. All right, Bitcoin right now at Bitfinex trading 8407. Bitcoin 8407. Back in Upmo on the daily, 8350 is that, and for me, we need to close there. And obviously, we're going on a 24-hour time frame here, so it doesn't close until 5 o'clock tonight, my time, on the Pacific Coast in the U.S. of A. But it needs to close there. It's one thing to take the momentum level out, just like S&Ps did coming out of up momentum. But for me, where are you closing? You know, what have you done for me lately? The close is incredibly important for me in my analysis. So yeah, we're above this this level here, trading 84.10 last at Bitfinex. But they got to close there in up momentum. And then the thing is, Saturday and Sunday have been very important in crypto land. And so it's going to be important to see how they fare the weekend. Hell and gone, well, not hell and gone, but considerably away from the weekly momentum level, which was 78.87. So closing strong there. A lot of room on the weekly to the upside, and I think we'll get continuing expansion of upside potentiality on that weekly chart. So please tune in Sunday night for a Blockchain Vitals weekly segment, and we will discuss how that weekly chart has changed in Bitcoin. But that's what I'm seeing. The only pause I will give you is on TradingView. If you use TradingView for charting, they have a 2-day time frame, and I really like the 2-day time frame. It obviously there's an odd number of days in a week, so that 2-day kind of evolves differently than dailies and weeklies, especially. So and we have not closed back in up momentum on the 2-day. And for your viewing pleasure, let me just give you that level. The 2-day level is at 84.62. We're trading 84.16 now, and we went and pretty much pinged that to the dollar. The high today, 84.45, so not quite there. 84.62 is the 2-day up momentum level in Bitcoin. And I really want to see it. You know, I said yesterday I want to see it above the 1-day up momentum level. They've done that for me now here. I got to tell you, though, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a sixth sense. Maybe it's a sick sense. But I have great pause here because we haven't had a violent pullback yet on this run. So I'm going to continue to be patient here before I jump into Bitcoin and wait for a close above the 2-day up momentum level, which comes in at 84.62. It'll be right around there Sunday when this thing rolls again. And that's what I'm looking at. I'm being patient, all right? Listen, you guys have a great weekend. You work too hard not to get out there and enjoy yourselves, especially if you're at the con trading all week. So please enjoy yourself, and I will be back Sunday night for a Blockchain Vitals weekly segment. Until then, have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching.